Guys, everyone welcome. Then to another video here on the Hackintosh Beyond channel. Let's talk a little bit about the launch of bootloader OpenCore, which came out there, right? He finally came out, so it's pretty interesting. I'm already here in the Accidentero repository and it came out now in March, right? He came out a short time ago, so we have his update here on 104. We also have here some casts that have been updated there. The Apple LC194, the virtual SMCEO Mach Hyper-V support 098. It's very interesting for those who use the virtual machine then. But then as I told you in the part of OpenCore, I made a special tool here with great affection for you here on the channel called Update OpenCore. I made one for Clover too. What very interesting tools, right? It's not a fully automated job, it's a manual job. But without attacking. AE Fio Pelest, huh? You don't make radical changes, do you? It sounds like it's inactive from the system. It is a language in Python that I made for you. I will be showing it here. I will update along with this tool. It is already public for you to use. I will leave all the links in the description of this video here. I have a whole explanation. How to use the tool. If you have any difficulty using it, it's very easy, it's very simple. There's not much secret, guys, so it's very simple to use. This tool it's very interesting, right? Yes, it will help a lot in everyone's daily life. So when you enter the repository right away, you will see here, oh, there is the Clover update and there is the PlayCore update. So, and I have here the top tools too. It's just you enter here. I will leave the link there, as I said. Then after you read there the redeeming of the PenCore update, and here you can download directly, or is downloading through the top tools, which is what I will do here on the channel. It is for those who do not have enter the repository there also here. Top's tools. Just download the version. Coming back here, I will come here in releases. There is the version. You can download the selection for Windows, right? So I'll come up here. There is an app that for anyone on Mac OS it is interesting to use. And we also have Bash here, which can be used in Windows, so I already have it here. You just download Simple, then it will come like this, unzipped, of course for those who have using the Safari browser, right? Now for those who have it on Google Chrome, right? For those who have it on Google Chrome, it will come zipped there. So just put it here in applications and put it to run. So I'm going, let me come in here in the lounge. I already have him here. He's gonna open like this for you. I'm gonna downplay this guy here a little bit. Pretty cool too. It's a cool tool that I use here on the channel. I made it with great care for you. All the tools there are to make your life easier, guys. So I also ask for your help. You are always helping, encouraging, liking the videos. So yes, it's good for you to comment there. Giving your opinion is cool. I always answer there whenever I can. So here we have a list of tools, right? Is it? We use it a lot on a daily basis, so it's really worth it. So I have it here Oh, in option 15, Clover update has OpenCore update. Then I go there. He will make this little folder here. Oh, let me get all these guys out here. Oh, okay. Option 16 is the OpenCore update. Or I came here in option 16, I already downloaded it here. Oh, it's already here for those who need hacking too. Oh, it's a very interesting tool. He's already hacking here. Just put it in your app and use it. Let me delete it here. Yeah, I think it's just Propertree, guys. If you are, you will also ask for updates when you manipulate the playlist, right? So it's easy to install. I only came here in scripts, right? You can come point, comedy, build app, select point command, or build app, select point Python, right? Py only gives 2 clicks here. It gives 2 G. Here I'm on version 3.13.1 of Python. So come here on 2, just come back here. Oh, just open here, it's already updated. Then our Propertree, I'm not going to replace that, I've already updated there. So this is how you install Propertree. So here for now we will only use the update core. So we will close here 0 to exit. It's a very useful tool, isn't it? You're gonna love it, guys. And here, let me confirm here with you the version that I am, right? No boot. Oh, it's already here asking for version 104. I won't update the cast here. Practically, as I compile the cast here, I practically have all been updated. Only Lucy hasn't been updated, right? So I will update along with you too. So here, let's open. We have reading. As I told you here, I'm going to open with another program. It's already opened here. Marcos Cold. Here you can read how to open it. It's very easy. I will show you here. There is no secret. Entering here, we will connect to this file here. Oh, mine PI point. Let's open our terminal. Ready? I can terminal here. And then you put def there. Separate 3 spaces. Play mine, period, P this guy here, O here, right in the terminal. You can give an enter, then enter your user password. It will open it for us. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more for you. Take a look. So here I have some and fees here, several HDDs, several operating systems. So here it's important that you understand how it works. Okay, I'll close here for now. I'm going to leave it open here just so we can see what's happening, that he's gonna leave some logs in here and everything else. Oh, inside these folders, everything we are doing here in the black box, let's say, I will come with this report here. So I will only confirm my OpenCore 5 for those who use Corp Newtair's 5 mount. Okay? You just need to know which disk is where the OpenCore boot is. Mine here is on disk UMS1. So I'm gonna open UMS1. I can open it here. I'll just confirm this is the OpenCore. Okay, let me open this screen here. We already know, I've already explained it to you, so I'm going to close it here. I'm just going to leave Wi-Fi open. So in S1, his option here is number 1. I'll open it here, and then he'll come with this. With all these options there for us very simple guys, if you want to update directly, you can go to option number 1 here. He will do the update here, and we have here the Prever release as well. I'm going to take a little while here because I want to explain to you what each function does here, as you can already see. So you have this advantage of getting 11 pre-release. In the case of the accident they're launching, they always leave it there, right? So, okay, when you don't have the program itself already gives you information that you don't have. So here you can update directly. Yes, I like to update one by one. I like to see what I'm doing and advise you to do the same. Now when you have already gotten used to the program and everything, then it will be easier. You can come here directly because then you will be trusting the program more. At first, before anything else, he already does one. He asks you to make a backup. He makes this backup here. Oh, for example, I already want to update the boots here. Oh, in option number 6, update boots failed, right? So we have here the boot X64 point the fire and an OpenCore point the fire. I'm going to update the boots here first. It's from my FI that it's already directed here. Here it's already asking me to back up. Oh, so I'm going to give a yes that I don't have the backup yet. Huh? For you to be careful. Oh, he's already made a backup here for me, so he's still here. So he does it the way I did, right? That I took it here. And beauty here I'm already guaranteed in a certain way. So here now I'm going. Update the boots, but although it has already updated, now I don't want to do it anymore, or I don't want to do it anymore. He's already updated. He's already updated before, right? At the time he asked here, just to confirm with you, today is like this by modification date. Do you understand, guys? So it's not like that. For example, when the developer moved here, then the program, it goes by modification date. Then he changed. Today is 8:44 in the morning, okay? He made this modification in the boot. Beautiful here. I don't know why this option came out here. And here will also be the same thing, modified today at 8:44 a.m. So it's by modification date 3rd 03/4/2025 at 8:44 in the morning. So the boots there are already updated, okay? Now I'm going to update the drives here. Huh? Let me update the drives here. Oh, you can already press on option number 3, very simple. I don't want to do it because every time it will ask you to do this backup. But here I have already done the first backup, so no, I won't need it. I have already updated the drives here. It will update all the drives that are here. So let's go here. Oh. The first modification also modified at 8:44 HFS plus sometimes is not updated, right? So let's see here. because I have also left it in the program to download directly from the repository, and if there are any updates, we will know here. It was modified on 01/9/2025 then. There was a modification, yes. It was updated on January 9th. Then from 2/13/25 to 13/20. So it had a modification, so it was updated on exactly that date. So I advise you, if you are not going to use the OpenCore update, update your HFS Plus and the rest. Okay, modified at 8:44 today, 8:44 today, and 8:44 today. And the reset Niverum 2. Beauty. Now we have the issue of pill list validation, right? Let's see here. We can come in. Option number 5 here. Paulo, the program itself has already identified here that we have a new key in OpenCore, right? ClearTaskSwitchBit Key, in case it will be added there to our playlist. So here it didn't validate because this key is missing here in option number 4. We have a way to add this key there, a very simple bellist. We will also add option number 4. I don't want to back up, right? Oh, again, just say no there, okay? Oh, the key has already been added. There it is, it has been added. Now let's validate it again to see what happens. Option number 5, and on the axis is found here. Oh, beauty. Let's see where that key got in, shall we? He got into our Palice. She's right here, okay?
Thank you.
So in the right place, right? We can come here. I left a reservation here so we can compare it with Fig Pellist here. When you don't know where the key is, what are you going to do? Just copy the name of the key here. Oh, where is it? Let me take the name of the key here and I'll copy it. I'm going to give an F command here to open the option. I'm going to skip it here. I'm going to give an enter. Oh, it's exactly here. Oh, butter under Quickers, right? Oh, the voice of a time drive. The fraging, wow. I said Dreve here, nothing to do with it. Oh, right, oh him, tax sweet bits is here. This key here, it is very interesting too. Ready is already updated there. Our OpenCore, everything right. Very simple to use, guys. There is no secret to use. But it's really cool. For example, if you have a very old Wi-Fi and want to do it this way, you can add it here directly to the playlist. You don't need to keep doing all that is 1x11 key 1x1, right? It's wear and tear, so it gets a little tired. So I made this little program to really help there. Oh, for those who want to do it in their hands, know what they're doing. The OpenCore update is the best for you to do this kind of thing. So he added it in the right place. It's already saved right there. And this key, it is very interesting. It is very interesting that it has a... I wrote down some things here. Why did they make that key there, right? She's very interesting. She does a few concerts, let's just say that, right? For those who have a lot of tasks, a lot of open applications, that type of situation. And sometimes you open a Discord or a WhatsApp there, several things at the same time. So this key, it's for cleaning. This part of the task includes the beach as well, so it's interesting. I made 11 summary here of what this key does then in operating systems like macOS. Task, which I didn't even tell you here, application, different types of process, right? Simultaneous. That needs to be changed quickly. Tasks are running at the same time, right? So that's a lot of tasks. So this key is exactly what it is for. When you have this kind of problem that you are running a lot of things at the same time, and the system sometimes does not manage the way it has to be inside the OpenCore boot. What happens to this key when activated? She already does this cleaning for you when you are initializing there, and then it will run much smoother, let's say. Okay? In case you have this type of situation that I didn't even put down here, right? In short, it is a useful tool to solve opanic meat instability problems caused by improper bit management. That kind of thing switches tasks, right? So it pays you to pay attention to what you're doing and what they are for. So it's a very interesting key, huh? For those who have these problems, like I said above, for those who don't have them, no problem, you can leave it in false anyway. Oh, as it's here, oh, she came here for us in false, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have Wikers, oh, it's false by default, but if you have it, it's having this application management problem. Huh? Bits in the system have screen freezing, slowing down. This kind of thing is not just USB mapping, okay? So it is. It's worth paying attention to this because it manages tasks, and when this ClearTaskSwitchBit is active, it will do exactly that. It will clear this cache. And the system will work much better. Now, when you don't need to, you may have a performance loss if you activate here. So that's a minimum performance, okay? It's not a relevant thing, but if you don't need it, don't activate it, okay? If you don't need it, no, don't activate that key. So it's basically for that. Pretty cool. I found this key inside the OpenCore 104 very interesting. So I made one. I took a look there in the OpenCore repository, right? Why this key? And I made a little summary here for you. So it's also important for those who have it. It's hardware. It's a little older. Processor also old. I say 6th generation, 7th, 5th generation processors, and have this slowness in the task part. Will you open a program, freeze, or are you slow? It is exactly this key that will solve for you, and test suiting bits is this key here. So in this case, you can activate it now. If you don't need it, don't activate it, right? Because you can have a minimal loss of machine performance, so it's not worth it, is it? So it's imperceptible, but if you don't have to, you don't have to. So I'm going to close here, closing here. We're there with practically everything. Perfect, it's just here. Oh, 8, let's go. And then, well, I just took a little longer here, guys, because I'm showing you the first time the OpenCore update, how you should use it. But then I leave it to you if you want to come to the direct update. He's going to do that whole part. Just don't forget to validate your config playlist here, because all the drive part and boot itself he already installs in this first option here. Then just validate your config or add the key if necessary, which did not happen here with me. I went to validate. He showed me he had one. The key that was not active in my playlist, and here I added in option number 4 and finish beauty. We are here in the refinement in the option not guys in 0103 still. So I'm going to reboot and I'm going to come back with the part of do boot here with 104. Come on, I'm going to restart here, and on the way back we'll update the cast as well. That's it, guys. After having restarted the machine here, is I entered here, and before anything I'm going to show you that there was a little archive in the boot part there, and it wasn't the program that did it. Okay, guys? Just to clarify, this is the club. Let me just close here. I'm going to enter the OpenCore here. Oh, here is the backup that was made, right? So this file, he was already here, so it wasn't. Yeah, I don't know why this file is here. I must have done some test, something like that before that, but it wasn't the program that put it. Oh, however, that I took it here and I updated the boots 2 times, so it's that file didn't come back, so it has nothing to do with the program. Don't be scared, okay? I'm just confirming it there, because it must have been some test I did here in OpenCore. So this file ended up here, boot test, something like that. I do a lot of testing here on the channel, so if you see any different files, it's because of that. But it wasn't the program that did that. The OpenCore update, in this case, we will enter here in the Rackin 2. We are already in version 104. In the OpenCore boot, and we have the situation of the quests here. But before that, I will pass here. Video via airdrop is to show you how the boot was done, right? How did you behave there? Oh, I don't even know if the airdrop is on. Just contacts won't come anyway. Let me come back here. So now it's coming, right? As I formatted a short time ago, I put Ventura here to do some tests I needed. So let me open it here. I recorded my screen. Through the cell phone itself, just to show you how through the update up in core program how it behaved, right? Here I was already selecting the HDs, that I have several systems here for testing and everything, so it's normal. Well, he came in here, let me see if I can show it here. I think it was not very clear here that it was the first reboot. It takes a little while. normal, right? I'll get ahead of myself here, but it was quick so far. I entered the system here. Let me just go back a little bit. Then here were the videos that are being recorded, and then I entered hacking to here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I'll take a look here to show you too. Open the noise of the motorcycle there. There is a 104, the version there I confirmed, and that's it. Quietly return. Now let's update the questions here through our compiler here of the channel. I'll also leave the link in the description of the video, right? So, according to no. The repository itself here, oh, I have Apple LC, but I already have this version here. I use a little different. I'll show you here too, right? The way I use it. And the virtual SMCE is also already in the version. Let me just see what you will need here. I'm on version 130E4. But here is version 135. I don't even know if there's this cast here, guys, in this version available. I'm going to take a look here. Virtual SMC. Yes, there are already a 135. It's here. No, it's not. It should be here. Oh. So let's compile it there. That's the advantage of compiling, right? Instead of you taking it directly there in the OpenCore guide, we already compile it here. It comes out in this version. So let's go into my repository here too. Compiler, I'll leave it there in the video description. I made a version of Ava 2. It comes here in release O. In this first option right here. Here I'm explaining what I did, and everything else, okay? And here we have the compiler. You can download this first guy here. I already have it here too. Oh. But before you download the compiler and everything else, you have to have Xcode installed on your machine because it uses Xcode to compile the quests. So I'm going to close here, close here. I'm going to open here, here. When you put the compiler in applications, it won't appear here because it's not there. It's not being configured as an application itself, it's just a script, an executable actually. So it won't appear here as an app. So I'm going to come here to go to applications. Then here for me it appears, oh, and it was supposed to appear here, right? Let me see here, oh. Make a shame pass now. But it's here. Just give 2 clicks there for it to open. It will open here. It will make this folder here. Oh, test code source release. Then wait for it to go down. And then can we close it? I'm going to increase it a little here. Oh, I increased it. Just wait a little bit there, guys. Excuse the noise. Oh, we have several questions here, right? So let's compile it. I moved it. It's last year right there. At the end of the year, I changed a lot with the tools here on the channel. So there's a lot of change there, right? Including OpenCore update and Clover as well. As soon as Clover releases a new version, I will be doing the same thing here as I did in OpenCore for you. Let's update these casts here. Let's see. We have the queue to just go back there on here. Book tracker insos. Come here, erase this guy, put 2025.03, which is the month of March. Right, so here we have the release planning EE. Here we have the cast that have been updated. I don't use the Mac Hyper-V support, right? So for those who use it, it's good to update, but in my case, I don't use it. So we have here AA Apple, OLC. I already have this version here, but for those who need it, oh, it already has. This is 194 here, but I'm going to do it here together with you. The way I use it here. I only use my codec, so I'll do it here. Let's do it first. I'm going to move here in Apple's source code, OLC, because I know what my codec is here. Oh, I'm going to enter it. I'm going to come in the folder here where the program did the source code update. I'm going to enter here in research. Oh, you guys, you notice there's a lot of codecs here, right? Including, it's in the update, then it pulls directly from the source code. So the new codecs come there, right? Mine here in this case is 1220. So I'm just going to mark it here in purple. It can be lilac, right? And I'm going to eliminate all these codecs here that I don't use. You have to know which codec you use to do this kind of procedure. And then your boot becomes much lighter and does not generate soon. And unnecessary in this case, right? I'm going to delete here. Separate all these files that I'm separating here too. Oh, and just eliminate these codecs here and leave only yours. Then I'm going to align here by name, beauty. Oh, just stay in your codec. And then this cast is exclusive. And I'm going to come to the release folder. And it's already here in the bug. I'll minimize this guy here. Oh, I'll leave it here. Oh, the Apple LC would usually take a little longer with several codecs, so I will compile it here. Oh, option number 2, compile here only with my codec. It's going to be much faster. It's already formalizing there now with several codecs. It's going to take forever here, guys. It's good. LC, let me see how much she has. The version has already come out for me here. Which one is there? Only the version is here, but the codecs, the layouts are the same. It's updated here, so let me see what the size is here. It's usually 4 MB. Oh, it came out 540 KB. Let's enter it here to confirm everything is fine with it here. It only has my codec, so this is very important. And then it doesn't keep reading several codecs, right, that you're not using on the machine, and delays your boot a lot, right? In that case, and then we'll minimize this guy. And there's the virtual SMC. Let's see here, which option, 17? Oh, 17. Here, just type 17, then give an enter. Oh, are you gonna go down there for us? In fact, you're already doing the compilation. It's here 136, a larger version has already come out, then it's here. 135, the packages are the same. So update it here. Repository, no problem. Here, looking at the Hackintosh, I saw that my Lucy is outdated, so I will update her too through the compiler. Here, Lucy is the number. Where's 21? I'm going to see here in option 21, which is Lucy. I'm going to compile her there too. Oreo de Sucesso was compiled there 250 kbytes. It has undergone an update here inside the compiler. You guys can make a backup, right? Of everything you took out here. Oh yeah, let me see if it's mine. Well, I'm going to take this virtual one, this MC here. I'm going to open it. I'm going to take Lucy, and I'm going to take the Apple LC, which is much lighter, only with my codec. I'll open it here. My the5 is already open, so if you already have these quests in your config, not in config, right guys? In your EFI, so you don't need to give a Pixart atmosphere, correct? Then I'll pass her over here. Lucy is also my network cast, and the virtual one is MC. You will enter here in PC casting, you will only use SMC. Super IOE, virtual ICMC process, only these three here. Just replace arrange here. EOK for those who don't have it is for those who don't have it. The cast, for example, which have been updated. Now you have to give a Clears Pro shot to those who already have it. You don't need it, because it will only replace O here in the compiler. We can close here. We'll open. Let me see if there was anything open here. No release. Oh, you can both clean. It's in option 31 here. You can clean the directory or make a backup. Oh, 33. I'm going to make a backup of this folder. It will come here for me. Oh, backup. Oh, it's here. I can save this backup somewhere else. But it was the changes I made in the compiler, guys. And I can clean this folder here. I've done everything here. So my Apple LC there is also exclusive. It's interesting that I make a backup. I'm going to clear the directory there in option 31. I cleaned up here, disappeared with the release folder, and the backup remains here with my casts. It is with the LC 540 kbytes. That's it, guys. It was pretty cool. So here we are updated. I'm going to restart the machine so we can activate the update of these quests here, and then I'll come back here, just exit option 35 from the computer. Very simple there. Oh, there's this drawing here, right? So I'm going to update with it. I'm going to restart the machine and I'll be right back with you. That's it, guys. I restarted the machine here. I'm going to enter Hackintosh here. Let's see how the quests turned out after we compiled them here and followed them there by the Apple LC guide. 195, there was no update. Lucy 122. Let's refresh here just to see the virtual SMC. It was 136, and we are updated there with very simple quests through the compiler. It's pretty cool. I really like this compiler. It's, as I've been seeing the need, right? Making tools that make our daily lives easier is important. I work a lot here on the channel to help you there. Facilitating our daily lives is very important in the world of hacking. Tosh, sometimes time is money too, guys. So it's important for us to make some tools because they will help you in your daily life. Everything I do here with great affection for you, so I hope it's reciprocal too, that you can help the channel, which is very important. We can share this knowledge with many people, right? There are people who don't know our work yet, so it's important for you to share the content, like the videos, right? Yes. Comment there if you have any difficulty using OO Update OpenCore. This tool is wonderful. So I spent a few months working on it, and here's the final result. Okay? It's pretty cool, huh? If you have any suggestions, it's tool implementation. But I believe that the way she is there, okay, it's pretty cool. Okay? Huh? So that's what I wanted to show you. Stay tuned for more videos on the channel. Sign up, become a member of the channel. There are a lot of cool videos. There are teaching videos for members that you won't find, right? Open on the internet, on YouTube itself, so it's important. It's very cheap, guys, to become a member here. You have access to exclusive video there, right? So it's really worth it, okay, guys? That's what I wanted to pass on to you. Stay with God, and until the next video, okay?